All right, boys and girls, it's time to work on our spelling words. I hope these kind of help you so you can keep track of the videos. If you need to know what something was, or you want to watch it again, maybe that will help us keep track until I get better at like editing my videos and stuff. So we're going to talk about our spelling words for this week, and you can practice them just like we do at school. They're in your reading book, so you can find them in there, but they're also on Spelling City. You can search out our school and find my name, and your spelling words are listed under one plastic bag because that's our story for this week. So each week you need to find on Spelling City the title of the story for the week. Then you can do all sorts of fun games, and when you feel like you really know these spelling words, you can still practice writing them, have a grown-up test you. You're going to take your spelling test on Spelling City. So your spelling practice is something that I'm going to check on, but I'm going to check on it because I'm a teacher and I can go see how you did when I go on the Spelling City website as a teacher. So I entered all the words, I assigned you some fun games, and you'll have to tell me what you guys like best because then I can assign them for another week too. But I want to talk about our spelling words this week so that you know what to practice and what they're kind of all about. This week, our spelling words all have prefixes. A prefix goes at the beginning of the word and it changes what the word means. We've learned some of these before, but some of these are new ones. So if you know what the prefix means, you can figure out what the whole word means, even if it's a word you don't necessarily know. So let's talk about our spelling words for this week. So our first spelling word is unfair. Un means not. So something that's unfair, it means it's not fair. This prefix, pre, means before. So preschool would be a school that you go to before you go to regular school. And if you went to preschool, it would be something you did before you went to kindergarten. The prefix re means again. So if you refill your water bottle, you fill it up again. This prefix, dis, means you don't like something. It kind of makes a word be the opposite. So if you dislike something, you don't like it. Rerun means to run something again. So it can be a couple different things. This word gets used like in TV. Have you ever watched a rerun? I bet you have. It's when a show has been on TV and then they play it again. Sometimes they play them a bunch of times. Think of SpongeBob. You probably have watched some of those episodes over and over and over. A lot of the cartoons are like that. They don't just play it once, they rerun it. It could also be like if you run a race and maybe you need to rerun it because something happened and didn't work out. Unlock, remember un means not. So unlock means it's not locked. This one's kind of a weird one. Dis can mean a couple different things. So it kind of turns words into the opposites. So something that's covered, if you discover it, it means you find it. It's not covered anymore. It's not hidden. So discover means to find something. Preview is when you go to the movies and you watch a movie and they have previews. It gives you a view of the movie before it is actually coming out. You get to see a little bit of it. So preview means to watch something before. Just like preschool was going to school before, preview is watching something before. Rebuild means to build again. Disappear, remember we talked about dis being like changing words to the opposite. Appear means that you can see it. Disappear means you can't, it's gone. And these two words are tricky words to know that they're used a lot. This word is color. And this word is questions. Notice there's an S at the end, which means it's plural. It could be 2, it could be 10, it could be 100. It just means that it's plural. So these are the words that you are going to practice in Spelling City this week. So make sure you get logged into that. You can search our school or our name, and you can practice all week on that. You can take your test whenever you're ready. I'm probably not going to go over the spelling words again with you, but you can always come back and watch this video if you don't remember what something means or you don't remember what something is spelled like. You can practice in your book as well if you want to find the words. Okay, so try out Spelling City. I think it'll be really fun for us to do our spelling that way, and I'm going to check on how you're doing on it, all right? So make sure you get logged in and try it out. Good luck, second graders.